Okay, the video is recorded and I'm sharing my screen. The whole screen I am sharing. Okay. Uh, to me, what we are exactly going to do in Cardano blockchain projects. So basically, we are going to develop some D apps, which are called as the decentralized apps, and these D apps are going to be backed by the blockchain. So when we are actually going to be backed by the blockchain, the normal user is actually going to interact with the blockchain through some wallets. So first step is you have to actually go for the wallets. But most important thing is why you require these wallets. These wallets are required for you, you are having your money in your wallet and you are actually transacting for something in the blockchain network, which is in the blockchain network with your money. Might be it's any kind of coin like it might be Ethereum, it might be Matic, it might be ADA, uh, something like that. So these things are coming from a very good page or this very good thing which is called as the NFTs. So what are NFTs? NFTs are some resources which are available distributed in the blockchain, in the distributed network. And those are digital tokens, uh, and those are non-fungible, and you can actually exchange with some cryptos. So for Ethereum, when we are saying about Ethereum, the best or the most popular wallet is MetaMask. If you can go to Google and you can actually I'm saying it because we have to go to the Cardano one. So you have to go for MetaMask extension, and you can see this MetaMask extension. You can download those, and you have to actually create those. So basically, when I am also saying about Cardano, so this is MetaMask. I have already installed this, if you can see. Okay, and I'm not going to use it. Likewise, if we are actually going to search for wallets for Cardano, I'm choosing one link, and I can see the best Cardano networks which are actually available. So no, if it is saying the correct thing, no, it's not showing the correct thing. So the most popular one I can say is your Nami wallet. So when I'm saying about this Nami wallet, you can download this Nami wallet. You can directly click here, wallets for Cardano Nami. So this is Nami wallet, and you can go there and you can find out the extension for Chrome. And here you go you can install it in your Chrome as extension. So it's already installed in mine, and it is saying like you can remove it from your Chrome. So what normally we are going to do, we are actually going to do install the NAMI, and it will be work as an extension here. So N for NAMI. Okay. So when I am clicking, this is showing like this is the wallet, and this is into connected to the pre-prod network. If you are going here, my wallet is there. You can create your own wallet and go through very simple steps. Already we put some videos in the how to create or how to add the wallets into your Chrome extension or other any other extension. These are very easy things. You can go to those videos in the community GitHub. You can find it. I will share you the link for that. So once you are actually connected to those, you can actually transact or you can create these kind of applications where you can send your Ethereum or send your ADA to in exchange of some resources which are actually available in the blockchain network. Any questions from anybody?
Awesome.
Yeah, thank you. So next, what we are actually going to do, we have to create a very simple application, which is actually, as I have already told, there is a framework which is called as, okay, somewhere this framework is called as the Mesh framework. So this Mesh framework enable us to create the Cardano based D applications very easily. As you, most of the people have gone through the Cardano blockchain upgrade program. Here, there you can you have gone through like what is one UTXO, what is an EUTXO, and what is basically a contract, what is a transaction, what is online code, or sorry, off chain code, what is on chain code, and how to write a Pluto script by using Haskell, and many things. So those things, and how to set your PAB, how to set your that is Pluto's application backend to create a Pluto's application program. So what Pluto's application program is actually doing, it is creating a contract and try to deploy, and we are actually compiling it there, and we are then we are actually deploying it into various or into the blockchains. So normally into the Cardano blockchain, might be into the report or might be into the what we are saying that is the mainnet. So in the mainnet, you require the original ADA, and ADA price is not much. It's 0.30 around dollar. So 30 cents around it is going on. I don't know the exact price now. But yeah, that is original money. That is real money. So we are not actually going to use it for our development purpose. We can use the test orders for those. So test orders we can found online, and we can add it into our uh, what I can say, add it into our blockchain network. So for adding, it is there somewhere. Let's see. Our testnet orders. Okay. So this is the link like where you can find out some testnet faucets, and in the testnet faucets you can add to your account some ADA. So if you I am going to the NAMI, I can see my account also here. When I am receiving it, normally it is giving me this scanner code. where I can scan and send the ADA, or somebody can send the ADA. But if I really want to add some ADA to my testnet address, so I can copy this address and I can put it here in the testnet process. So what I actually did here. Okay. And when I did just before I'm starting the class, it's sent to this, and the address is verified by this, and all together, I got to. If I want request more for, I can go for that. So you have to choose, like you want to go for pre-pod testnet or preview testnet, and what you want, you receive test data, and here actually you have to put your own address. So where is the address? The address is when you are receiving, you are actually copying this, and you are putting this address here. Okay, and I am not a robot. It is saying me to very good. I am not a robot. It seems. So sometimes it shows rate limit exceeded. Please try later. So it's normal. You can try later because the demand is very high. Many people are actually requiring this, and then you can check for later stage. So this is the link. Probably I should. Where should I give it? Mhm. Should I give? Oh no, I'll share it somewhere, and somebody will actually share it to you. This is it, if you can. So Biswajit will share this link, how you will actually get it, get some ADA for the NAMI wallet. Once you get some ADA for the NAMI wallet, it is simulation of some real ADA, and you can actually purchase something from, or purchase or exchange something for that. Then what Mesh is saying, Mesh is saying you can build DApps where actually you can transact your ADA through the NAMI wallet. So basic operation is that, and we can develop in any language. It's not mandatory that you will actually follow Mesh. You can easily do it with, or you can uh, do it with only JavaScript. You can do it with PHP. You can do it with uh, Java, if you want JSP pages. You can do it with any language, but remember, building one SDK and building it from scratch is a pain, and you have to actually include, you have to build your own libraries for that, and connecting into the backend of the Cardano blockchain. So that is also one of the important point. You will directly interacting with that, and by the huge amount of transactions which is actually occurring in the real time, and into the pre-prod. So it's very difficult. It's very difficult to actually uh, handle those things by yourself as one application. So there are certain providers who are actually in between your DApps, your application, and the blockchain, who are actually managing it. So few names are there: Blockfrost and Koios, Tango Crypto, Ogmios. So these are few one, and most I used Blockfrost, I used Koios, and we can also check for this Tango Crypto and Ogmios. So what you are going to do, these are the people, or these are the platforms which are actually providing you a connection to the blockchain network, which is present at the real time. It might be the free prod, it might be your mainnet. Any questions? Please feel free to ask questions here.
So,
If somebody is having something. Yes.
yes, uh, hello.
Tell me.
Yes, I want to know because Plutos and Maze both are new for language for me. So I want to know how can I start? Like for starting this project or
Yeah.
to understand
Just,
this,
yeah.
what is my first step?
Yeah. If you are a very basic React developer, you can easily
Yes.
start it. So very basic thing you
Okay.
need to know for this framework right now, what I am talking about this Mesh, you have to be a very
Yes.
basic React developer or you have to know the JavaScript very basic. And it's very
Okay.
easy. It's not like knowing Plutus. Knowing Plutus is very good, and writing down Plutus is hardcore smart contract programs. That is very good. But the most important thing is if you are knowing this React part, then you can easily actually go for this mesh part. And even if you know Next.js, the above layer of or one more layer over this React, then that is the great
Yes.
thing because this framework is completely based on the Next.js framework. But this is what
Okay.
I am saying to all other people who have done the this Plutus programming. This is nothing in front of that. This is easy way, and this is if you will see it live, probably Anil will show it to you, and he can easily make this application from the very scratch within few minutes. Within few minutes, we'll see that. So Anil is going to show it to you. Before Anil is actually showing it to you, I am actually telling you few things which you should know, and most of you people should know before actually we are going for this developing one application. And what kind of application that is? I am saying we are planning to do something like this. This OpenSea is called as, or it is known as the largest NFT marketplace in the world, and this is Amazon for NFTs, non-fungible tokens. So, like that, we can also create our own marketplace in different areas. If you are seeing like it's art, gaming, membership, photography, and there are lots of things going on here. And this NFT things are right now the buzz of the town, the talk of the town all over the world. So like everybody wants to have something there. And after the metaverse is coming in the near future, this is going to be very demanding for that. So we'll see like how it is useful. You can Google, you can ask what is that Chat GPT. You can ask Chat GPT what is the usefulness of NFTs. You can see like, and these things also this OpenSea is mostly on Ethereum and Ethereum based coins and other coins. But for Cardano, there are also marketplaces. We can also create our own. That is our aim. That is one of our aim. Like for example, the project what we are going to do, it's a loyalty program. I'm declaring this one. It's a loyalty program for the hospitality industry. Who can actually explain the loyalty program in the hospitality industries? If somebody is there, who is there? I guess Devasis should be there. Hello, Devasis.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. What is a loyalty program, boss?
IT program.
This is required in
Loyalty.
hospitality industry.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
See,
this is
like,
like any reward we can provide to that programmer.
yeah, exactly. Loyalty program and rewarding scheme is connected together, Adyut.
Mhm.
By rewarding something, by providing the service to the guest of the
Okay.
hospitality industry or of the hotels or of the airlines, you are actually making the customer loyal to your hotel, loyal to your
Okay.
airlines. See, like for
Mhm.
me, I'm very fond of Air Asia.
Yeah,
Might be
we are
somebody is
getting that
for Air India.
loyalty points like that, right? The inter miles
Yeah,
points, right?
yeah, exactly. So these are going to be some tokens which are available and which are we are actually going to distribute to the members, and they can exchange with the real time things on that. And those tokens can be in real time priced with some other in the backend if we are using this Cardano network. And why do we use the Cardano network? Because it is faster than most of the networks right now. It is the third generation blockchain. Ethereum is good, okay, and this Matic coin Polygon is good. Uh, Everything is good, but this is the best what we are seeing and what we are actually having, and this is the fastest one. So definitely, we people want to build around Cardano as this as the scope of this engagement to us. But it depends like how we are actually capable enough to do the things. It's not like the Cardano development right nowadays is not like or not confined to Pluto's, not confined to Haskell, not confined to any that two things, or not confined to those. And it is not like necessary for developers to create their own network or create their own stake pool and develop. They can use other providers. They can use the real-time pre-prod environment of Cardano for their development, and they can deploy it into the mainnet. And most importantly, many people or other people there in the network who are actually not from the background of Haskell, not from the background of things. People come up with frameworks like Mesh, which is helpful to create and develop the application very fast. And that is what we are actually doing. I know Mesh is not that yet. Not completely covering everything of Pluto's, but it is still covering. It is having a lots of scope, and it is having a lots of scope to connect to the Pluto's contracts in the backend also. You can mint tokens, you can create tokens, you can burn tokens from your Mesh framework application, but you can also do it by connecting to your Pluto's contract directly. Am I clear? Not
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You have to read a lot here. Okay, so where I am is basically we are talking about some providers, and these are some providers we know, and these all are actually having their own website. So you have to go for their website to learn those what is block trust, and block trust is not only giving this Cardano blockchain service. This is also giving the service for IPFS. You can store something in the IPFS through Blocktrust. So that is another service Blocktrust is very famous of. Coesis, you can go for their site and you can learn. And you can code in any language Coesis is saying, like in C, C Sharp, and Java, JavaScript, any PHP, and any language, Python, any language. So these are the things. These are the people who are coming up. These are the providers who are coming up for the Cardano developer community to develop the applications faster. It's saying very clearly provides the services. Providers are the services provided by the Cardano developer community to help you ship your apps faster. Else, you have to write down everything from the scratch. You have to connect everything from the scratch, and might not be, these apps are not able to connect to each other, or very, what I can say, very easily glue together, or anyway. So next, we talk about the NAMI, we talk about these providers, then
Understand?
what
Here we will use Ognius or Tango People, any one of these providers.
we can use any one of these providers, but we will use Coasys. I also suggest and ask you people to explore this block frost. Block frost, one of my favorite, and Coasys will
Mhm.
show you this right now. Okay, Koyos, not Coasys, Koyos. Okay, so then coming to the let me let me stop sharing here. I'm showing you something what people already say. Okay. So this is the PPT which we already put it in the community GitHub, and this is actually saying one overview of the application, or the POC, or the prototype, actually what we did. So what we are actually doing, we are doing a Mesh.js with Cardano wallet. We are developing a program with Mesh.js and Cardano wallet. Okay, that's not moving. So what is Mesh.js? Mesh is an open source library providing numerous tools to easily build powerful dApps on the Cardano blockchain. Very easy and very handy, very fast to develop dApps on Cardano network. So why use Mesh? Mesh is developed closely to network updates. By using Mesh, your application will always ready for latest network changes. They're actually defining, or they're actually not exaggerating. They're telling about themselves. But the most important thing for me is, as a developer, I'm outsider, and Mesh is very easy to use, and Mesh is like handy to develop uh, faster applications, faster dApps. Then UTXO, those people, or you people in the group who already know about or gone through the Pluto's classes or Pluto sessions, they should already know what are UTXO. So these are on-spent transactional outputs. Okay. Um, but in Pluto's, we are telling them as UA, EUTXO. So those are basically extended. So there are a few things you have to mention them, and they can be regarded as the UTXO. It's not only the other price, it's not only the name of the what name of the NFT or name of the token. So there are many things attached to it. Might be some other, might be some NFT, might be some images, might be something. So those are called as a few metadatas added to that. So we'll see like how we are going to do. If you want to know about UTXO and EUTXO, the extended UTXO, that is called as. So you can Google, and you can ask ChatGPT also. I'm promoting ChatGPT. It's recorded. So next is what is Mesh providers? Services provided by the Cardano developer community. And these are, I already talked about Blockfast, Koyos, and Ogmios, and Tango Crypto. So what are on-sign transactions? On-sign transactions are transactions where you didn't require any signature of yours. You needn't require to put your before transaction, put your what I can say, a private key and all those things, mnemonics for that. But signed transactions do require. You require a digital secure key, and you have to sign those before the transactions. So we'll go for something like that, and we'll see like how things are going. Wallet in the blockchain. A blockchain wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to manage different kinds of cryptocurrencies. Wallets are two kinds. One is app wallet and another is your browser wallet. Uh, I know people like Tu sir, Prasanna sir, Vishwajit, and so on sir, they might connect or those people who already done these sessions on Pluto's, they could already relate these two words. So browser wallets are wallets basically which I have already shown you, Nami. So where or Yoroi. So another is Yoroi. That is one of the famous one from Emurgo. Uh, uh, so you can find it out. There are a lot. You will you use those. So those are browser wallets, and those wallets are keeping some other with them, and the user is actually going to exchange. But remember, when you are creating a DApp, when you are creating a contract, or when you are actually creating some applications, those things are also associated with some wallet. If you are remembering yourself the UTXO model, and the transaction is in between your wallet to the app wallet, and the app wallet will keep it, app wallet will transact it, and then it will actually transact it to the destination. If you could able to remember the first session, what Prasanna sir given us the UTA given for the UTXO model. So app wallets are wallets which are associated with your apps. A very easy explanation for this. Okay, so for developing application on next for this D app or by using Mesh, you minimum require or you should have a basic understanding of Next.js. I guess Next is the next level of React. So you should at least know the React.js, and you should have the Cardano wallet with you. You require Visual Studio Code, VS Code if you want. You should know you should have bit knowledge about the Node.js framework and all. So for Mesh.js it is. It's not for Plutos. See, like for Pluto, for Cardano smart contract development, you require only Plutos and Marlow. Probably Prasanna sir had gone through that portion. But this is the next level. And we are actually talking about a framework that is called as Mesh. It's a JavaScript based framework based on React and Next.js, and Node is the important thing, as you know, like for the backend we are using. So this is the JavaScript runtime environment that actually uh, executes the JavaScript code. This Node.js is, and we require this thing. Next is you have to create the next app it is shown here, and probably we'll go through that. This PPT is there with you for all the steps, and if you can also go through this, I'll show you next. If you can go through the Mesh.js website, that will be great. There are lots of information written. We didn't yet explore 50-60% of that. We are doing it, and I'm asking the community, our community people, our community members who are interested and who wants to do real-time development with us. please go through this and try to explore as much as possible. Do the basic one first, what we are showing it to you right away, and go for the other things in the next part. The other exploration for your time. And remember, when you are doing real-time projects, there might you all are from the software development background, and you know, like in the real-time project, you might face any problem at any point of time. So you have to explore a lot. So these are some steps which are actually written and in this PPT, and this PPT is available. I guess Anil will go to show you this how to do it. Um, okay, let's stop the sharing here. I'm going to share something here, like just give me a moment. I'm not there. Okay, so just give me a moment. Like 2-3 minutes break I am taking. Sorry, coming back. So this is the GitHub, and here inside the community, you are having a Cardano project there, and this is basically the Mesh project. I'll ask them to change it to the Mesh project. So don't mention it as Cardano project. You mention it as the Mesh project. You download the code, and you will have this PPT available there. Also, a cheap Cardano, just mention it as Mesh, so people might take it something else. So you download the code, and when you are downloading the code, you will find the code somewhere, and normally I put it here, Cardano India, and this is my code. What is there? Okay, and when I download this code and put it in my machine, uh, I'm going to the open it with the this VS Code, and there is a README file. So there are many things which are written, like how to run it, how to do it. I try to do it. A few commands: npm install and npm run dev. So these are the two commands you have to remember to run the application, and the application will run. So this is a compiled and ready-made application for you people, and you could able to like run the application. You can do it very easily from our network, but also from the mesh environment, like how you are going to do and what you are going to change, that similar, that same thing will be live. This is already present, but live it will be shown by Anil within a few moments. So just bear with me for a few things. As I can say, like you can see the main application. Okay, so after running the application, what we'll see? Sorry, that is the local host here. Yeah, this is the local host. So normally what I am doing, I'm connecting to a wallet. Okay, replace it. Okay, now it is coming as Nami. You got my point? So my application is, it's a very simple application where I have to mint my token. And in this token, I have to connect to a wallet first. So it will connect to this wallet from localhost 3030. My application is there. From my application, I have connected to, it is asking me to give the access. So now it is connected to this one. And what it is doing, it is minting. Minting means it will actually, I don't know, something happened. Might be. Some error is there. It might be some error. It shouldn't take that much of time. Yeah, some error happened. Okay. So it's saying that insufficient input. I'm not having any money with me. So that's why it is giving, you can see it here. I'm not having any ADA with it, ADA with me. You can clearly see that I'm not having any other in my wallet. If you can see, go to my wallet also. It's no ADA is there. No test ADA, rather, not ADA, no test ADA is there. So that's why I couldn't able to like transact anything or mint anything. So that is the first lesson we have to learn. Like if you want to mint something, you have to create something, you have to transact something into your blockchain network, you should have some ADA or you should have some crypto in general, but uh, in Cardano, it's ADA. In Cardano preferred, it's test ADA. Sorry. Any questions for that? I know Anil is having some ADA, test ADA with him, and he will show you the things. From here, I will ask Anil to go through this. I'll be there, and I'm just stopping sharing my screen. I'll ask Anil to share the screen. Anil, just go through from the mesh side, start building a application, and this is to showcase like how easily and how fast we can build it. It's not that difficult, and what are the basic things we have to change inside that application.
Yes, sir.
All
Sure,
okay?
sir.
Is it? Yeah. Is it okay with all? Please respond.
Yes, yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. So just over to Anil. I had stopped sharing.
Can I share my screen?
Yes, yes. Always. It's all yours.
Yes. First, we open a new open a new window for creating a project. Here we create a one folder, Mesh Cardano. Select the folder. Here open it. Then go to the terminal and yes, here we can see Mesh official website. already they mentioned the how to start a project. First, you need to install your local system in VS Code, then install Node.js and set up Next.js. We are now creating a Next.js application in our local system. Then first, it copy from here and paste over here. And this is generating a first a next app. After finishing the all those things, can copy. After that, we set up the Mesh framework in our Next.js application. Then we have to install these two important things. First one is Mesh SDK core and Mesh SDK React for developing our DApps. We copy from this side. Take some time to install all the things in Next.js. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here we can put Mesh SDK core and Mesh SDK React, then press enter to install Mesh SDK framework in our Next.js website. After that, we need to focus one thing. We have to most implement Webpack for connect your front end and back end. This is most important things. Next config JS. I copied from here. Just paste it. After that, we first need a React component to connect our DFs to here. You can see my Nami wallet. To connect my DFs to Nami, you need to create component Cardano wallet. They already provided a component like Cardano wallet. Here you people can see here connect wallet. This thing implement in our Next.js project. Just copy. Yes, sir.
Yeah, like go a bit slow because people want to know like where is the link and just show them the links also.
Okay,
Like
sir. This is the link, sir. First, go to React, and after that UI component. After UI component, here you can see the Cardano wallet. In Mesh.js already they provide all these things. After that, you put our website. This is pages, Next.js pages. In index.js, we clear everything from here. We create our own apps.
Is that the inbuilt code in the
When you install the Next.js create app, it's already inbuilt a demo React Next.js app. Already the Next.js provide.
Okay.
Here I can.
So what about that? Say, this wallet is also inbuilt?
No. It inbuilt Mesh already provide in Cardano wallet component. You just could copy from Mesh website and put it on your DApps where you can build or write the code. Just paste it over here. Now you can see after some time I run the code. You people see how it's work.
This is the
Hello.
interface which will connect to our Nami wallet, right?
Yes. To interact our Nami wallet.
So, how means exactly it interacts with whatever we will put this React connector, means how it will connect that? Means Nami is already inbuilt.
No.
Nami is, sorry, Nami you have to actually first install in your browser. Okay. And after you are
Okay.
installed, like I have to said you in the very beginning, and once it is installed or as one extension in your browser, if you are putting this component inside any JavaScript application or any Next.js app, you can connect to that. That is a inbuilt Cardano thing, sorry, inbuilt Mesh.js thing. That's why we install this Mesh.js core and Mesh.js React, I guess. These two things
Okay.
we install. And by those two extensions or two SDKs or two APIs, you can say you are actually importing this Cardano component into our application.
Okay. So the React application has that capability to connect to this Nami which we install into the browser.
No, not React. There are certain components written in Mesh.js.
Okay.
In
Okay.
Mesh.js.
Certain components from the Mesh.js.
Yes. And that's why if you will see, like Anil is always importing Mesh SDK core or
This
Mesh
is the
SDK.
Mesh SDK core and Mesh SDK React.
Yeah.
Already
Yes.
they defined.
They have already defined two APIs. That's why I am saying this is one of the amazing tool they have already created for us.
Yeah. This is means it's predefined code in the
Exactly.
React.
In their APIs, yes, in their libraries.
Yeah.
And we have to only
So
use
in
it.
the library, all these components are already inbuilt. So we just import that and utilize that, right?
Exactly. You have to install it into your app. Like it has to be there in the node modules, and you have to like import those into your application, and you have to use those. That's what I am saying. Like if you are writing down with the raw JavaScript or raw Java application or raw Python application, you have to do all those things by yourself, and that will take a lot of time. But with the frameworks or APIs, normally why we are using, because most of the things are actually defined over there. Like if you are using the Spring framework in your Java applications. So why we are using? We can do it with a normal Java application or normal Java programs also, or servlets also. But why we are actually doing it with this Spring framework? So because of there are lots of APIs already defined, predefined. So likewise, this Mesh.js is.
Hello.
Yeah, Anil, go ahead.
Yeah. We
Yes.
are audible. Yeah. Go ahead.
Then after mesh provider is needed for to connect the just our connect DApps to our Nami wallet. Mesh provider is needed. What is mesh provider? Just Noren sir already told that providers there is four type. Already told these four mesh provider: Blockfast, TangoCrypt, Coesys, and Ogmis. And these Coesys we have used in our application to build our DApps. So here I just copy mesh provider, and it's already written here over here. Open page app.tsx and import and include mesh provider in our DFs here. We import SDK. After that, we can now running the just showing how it's look like. For running in web browser, you can type on your terminal npm run dev and press enter. It takes sometimes to load. Here you can see here is connect wallet component. Just I copy from mesh provider and paste it my DF application. Then it already showing the connect wallet component. Here if I click the Nami wallet, it already access to the my here Nami wallet and connect it to my DFs. This is the first things. After that, we created a API which connected backend to our front end. How transaction it's going, we now see. Create some API, and I already written all these things. So I copy from my previous code and paste it here. So here we need to a app wallet. These things already in Mesh website. I right. This is the multi-signature transaction which I use to this code in my website. You need first import browser wallet. This is our browser wallet, Nami, and after that you need a recipient address where your NFT going other wallet. You need a recipient address. After that you build a transaction. This code also I copy from here and paste it over here. Just see voices provider. This is my pre-prod, and my app wallet look like that. This is my new money, a fetcher from Cohesive provider from Mesh. I fetch from all these things from Mesh SDK core. You can see app wallet over here. After that, we create a object from this app wallet in put all these things. This app wallet address foreign script. Script is allowed to mint our asset in Nami wallet. This is for use. Here we can write anything for our NFT name. This is live demo token. This is our asset name which we create for NFT. This is our SS metadata. And change the name. Live token. This is a description. Okay, after that we create a first mint this NFT. Also copy from here. You can see this is a mint. This is a mint for your NFT from over here to you can connect our NAMI and transaction between two wallet. After that, just copy from. Now we created a backend API. File index.ps and copy from our previous copy.
While Anil is doing, I am just requesting everybody, this is scheduled up to 11 p.m. So what I am going to do, like I'll send immediately in the Discord handle another link, so we could able to continue. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear? Yeah. So because it will be like completing this. So 10 o'clock, 10:55, we'll stop and we'll start it again from 11 with a break.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
After that, we actually created a index for front end part. In our index, only here Cardano wallet look like this. It's not okay, not just a minimal design. We can copy from our this, paste it. So here we use state for change one state to another state. This is a React part, and here we use Cardano wallet, use wallet already Mesh SDK provided. Just the wallet hooks. All the hooks I use my application is this from Mesh.js website. Use wallet. You can see use wallet. This is use wallet, and Cardano wallet. After that, we some styling CSS for styling, and after that we connected our mint section. If mint section is okay, then it connect to our NAMI wallet. If not okay, then start showing already undefined. I mean, you have not some ATA, then it gives you error. After that, I save this. You can see this is some CSS. After that, we restart our server and again start. So after that, how it look like? After that, connect wallet to our Nami. It's connecting. After that, mint. Taking some time. It's taking some time to reload the Nami wallet. As we said, our Nami wallet address. Check the ADA. Yes, already I have 9,886 ADA. Change. Connect the Nami wallet. Okay. Don't need it. I think some. Okay, document, yes, okay. Give me this address. Taking some time. Refresh the page. What's the problem? Actually,
You missed something.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, we are getting 404 error.
This address and paste. Wait. Okay, I think. Okay. I understand what the problem.
You didn't mention it. Yes.
Now restart the server. Connect our actual wallet. Take some time to reload. Connect the wallet. Link now. Here, pop-up screen is you can see now pop-up screen of Nami wallet. It automatically redirect. This is our website in localhost. You can see now details. This is we set up in live demo token, and name is live token NFT. This is all the description or metadata. This is our reserve address. We can now sign and enter your password, then confirm. After some time, it transaction between here to our another wallet. Waiting. This is our hash transaction hash. It's take 2 to 3 minutes to transaction between one wallet to another wallet. Yes, it is now confirmed. Now we can see here in 10:51. Now time is 10:52. In 10:51, one transaction in another wallet. This is my another wallet. Here we can see 30, 20 to 30. 10 adda a transaction between one wallet to another wallet. Already here I mentioned for who use my who purchase my NFT, he must be pay 10 adda here. Already mentioned. This is my demo address link. Demo address. You can see. This is my demo address. Sorry, this address. Not this address. You can now see. Same address.
Okay, Anil,
Okay, sir.
yeah.
See this address. Successfully
Thank you,
minting
Anil.
one NFT, one wallet to another wallet. We created successfully.
With this address.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Anil. Um, you can stop sharing. We'll
Okay.
go through bit code more. Okay. So hardly took 40 minutes to create a transaction with the Mesh JS. And what we have seen like there, just let me share my screen again. So what we have seen like we have transact from um, one address to another address in the wallet, or you can transact within the network. So if you are having one address, you can transact it to the next address. So what are the things we discuss here? Like he told like index dot tsx will be one page where everything is coming as a button and you are actually transacting the things. Then it is going to the TS where actually you are, it's the backend from the TSX, it is going to the TS where it is actually finding out the UTXO and it is sending to one post service or one REST service. So here you are actually posting it. Okay. So what you are posting? So what is the post service name? Create mining transaction. Okay. And what you are posting? You are posting a recipient address. Okay. And you are posting the UTXOs. So what are those UTXOs and those things written? Then you are actually first of all minting those things. Not here, not here, not here. Okay. So this is the thing what you are actually minting. Miss Blue Banner, and this image is here, and this is a image JPG. This is an NFT minted by Kutos, and what you are minting, asset name was one, asset metadata is this, and what actually Anil had shown you there. So for this thing, you have to actually use this app wallet, asset metadata, for script, mint, and transaction from the Mesh SDK core. So those people who already gone through this Plutus, so normally these things are required for a smart contract. And then what you are doing, you are actually handling the things through the next API request and response, what you are actually getting. And you are getting the UTXO. You are giving it is the Koyos provider, which is a pre-prod one. You are opening your wallet, and then this is a mnemonics wallet opening. There are other ways of wallet opening. You can find it in your Mesh.js application. I'll show you in a minute. Then app wallet address you are finding. So get the payment from here, and you are minting a token here. And after minting the token, so what you are doing, you are actually giving the loveless. You know, loveless is the smaller format of ADA. Like rupee is having coin, sorry, paisa. So like this ADA is loveless. So you got my point. ADA is loveless. So it's 10 ADA. Okay. Then we are always giving this in the loveless format, and you are we are putting the loveless and UTXO, and it's true selected UTXOs. Then it is coming as the bank wallet address. Bank wallet address is the destination address where you are actually where you want to actually send the other or send the transaction from your app wallet. So normally what you are doing, you are sending it from your wallet to the app wallet, and app wallet, from the app wallet you are deciding to send somewhere else. Then the transaction is going on, and it's an unsigned transaction. As I have told you, it's an unsigned one, and you needn't require to sign it once again. You can do it as a signed one also, and once it is done, it is showing us the 200 basic. And again, it is returning back to your TS as functions, and UTXO will be uh, returned, or the transactions will be written, and you will see the values of as a front end that it's successful, and you can see or reflect the things in your wallet itself. So a basic one, if I can also show you like what other providers we are having. So there you can use the um, like browser wallet. So for the browser wallet, you can use Eternal also, apart from this Nami what we use. And the loveless quantity will be like this. How you will get the balance for this wallet. If we are going for this what maintaining taking this ascend assets to this. So send how you are actually sending ADA to the address. So you have to mention the address, transaction in transaction, how much ADA you are actually sending. So these are few things you have to go through by yourself after actually doing the thing. And this is not that difficult. I am always saying this is not that difficult. One can easily do it. And once you are actually looking into it, like here we are providing the chaos provider as API, and H handles. So many other things we have to explore from here, apart from the basic application you are doing. So to me, like this PPT is there already. This Cardano chip, the code is already there, and you are having Mesh.js. Uh, you can Google it immediately and find the website, and you can explore this. So probably from the next day, what we are going to do, as we are going for a project mode, like this is the first time we are actually showing you a full-fledged small POC kind of project, but we'll go for the real-time projects. Normally, we'll ask people to do it on Saturday and Sundays, and we'll definitely go for looking into your thing. Like Saturday, we'll review the Saturday, we'll talk about the things, and Sunday, we'll review the things. And again, on the next Sunday, if you are able to do your work or assigned work to you people, definitely we will discuss on Saturday and Sunday. So more classes or more things or more exploration if we people do, or if we are all together doing, then we'll go for like sharing the things with you. But my request for you people, like tomorrow, we are not going to have such kind of session, but rather what I expect, you go through this what we provided in your uh, GitHub. You go through that, go through the Mesh website, and go through a few things like what is there, and explore the things, and let me know over the Discord, over the WhatsApp, or over any communication media. If you are having any problem, then we'll definitely be there to help you out, and show you the correct path, how to do it and how to make it. I'm saying it's if you are the difficulty level, I'm not setting any expectation to anybody. People are from different background, are having different capabilities, but definitely it is more easier to manage or create D application, D apps or distributed applications over messages. That is what I can say very easily. And you can see like the things what we could able to do in Bluetooth, we also could able to do it here, like signing a transaction, or again we can mint a token, we can burn a token, so we can do many things with this. And if you could able to actually see your wallet address, you could able to see like not only you are getting 10 other, also you are getting one token associated with it. So it is altogether called as the UTXO. If you know UTXO model, you could able to figure it out there. So it's a nice starting for the next bigger things or bigger real-time applications. Will be touch base with you on Saturday again with some live project discussions. And in between, I insist you, I request you to go through these things, the GitHub location, GitHub resources, as well as this messages transactions. We mostly like initially we thought of doing it with Plutus and Marlow, otherwise that Atala Prism kind of thing. But in now we thought like due to some resource on non-availability with Cardano network itself, Atala Prism we drop. We are normally going to do it with this Mesh.js and Plutus and Marlow kind of thing. So Plutus Marlow will be the basic, and there you can write your own contract, and you even if you can connect to the like you can connect to any of your applications. You can connect to your smart contracts directly from the so interact with smart contracts. So if you are writing any smart contracts with this mm, Plutus kind of thing or Marlow kind of thing, you can also directly do it from Mesh.js. It's not necessary that you are writing it down in this format and you are going to do it. So there are lots of things we have to like you can fetch any UTXO which is available there. So there are lots of APIs they have already developed and we can use it like magic in our applications in our thing. So in it when you we started with Pluto's Marlow Cardano kind of thing, we thought of like how to integrate and how to do how to how to integrate with a web application or a Web3 application. So these are very tough things initially to thought of and to figure it out. Though we had examples on Ethereum, but there are fewer examples. There were fewer examples with Cardano as a community. But now the things are coming up. Mesh is coming up. I had seen another framework is coming up called as Hyperion boutique thing. So that is also coming up. That it will come up with someday. And this block trust is mature. This Poesis is mature. Poes is mature. So we will use those things in future, and we'll use more and more in future. So if you want to create a transaction, if you want to have this core, you can have your redeemers ready, have your transactions ready, go for your asset metadata, mint a token, and transact it is with messages easily. So you can design your datum by this also. You can create it. Yes, everything is not yet completed with Mesh, but they are also working as a community. They are very good community. They are very active community. They are each and every day actually uh, investing some of your some or improving their thing. And this is a very good project backed by Emurgo and Cardano itself. Emurgo is highly supporting this, so will see more and more on this. So keep an eye on this framework, on this website. We are going to learn a lot. We are going to do a lot. Even if they are actually having a migration plan where you can actually convert if you are having any other application, you can convert it into this Cardano blockchain application easily by using something. So next day, see you are having how you could able to actually convert it into this thing. So there are lots of resources available. Go for this. Keep an eye on this, and let's learn and let's implement it in our future projects for the future. So next week task from tomorrow it is starting. Like I will review it. Like you could able to create one application. You could able to create you could able to run this application and change something like what Anil is saying. We are hard coding the destination or the destination address who will actually get the ADA, that address in we hard coded it somewhere in our like uh, mm, in our code. But let's say there will be two text fields, two or one text field to which address you want to send. Like something like this. In Nami, we are having this. And when I am doing, this is sending something from my address, from this wallet address to another address. Okay. And here you are mentioning some others. Got my point? Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So do something like this. This will be very interesting. There only a single button was there, and that is not interesting. That is not at all interesting for me. So do something, do develop something like this. So which will actually take one address. You will put your address here, address sandal or milkomeda. This word is very famous, milkomeda. Just Google or Chat GPT on this what is milkomeda for Cardano. So these are things we will have to talk a lot in our project time. You can send an optional message. So no needed. You just have your application there. One address will be there. We'll send from your own wallet to this address, some data. So that is the task for the next. We'll discuss on next Saturday, and definitely we'll start discussing on projects. There are already two projects on plate. I've already told you last week, and the third project is going to come. See, like for any web application, JavaScript is a must. So any framework of JavaScript is important. You have to understand this. With that, Haskell is important. With that, other APIs are also important. When we are talking about an application or a platform building kind of thing, Web3 platform or the application, it's not like only a very small thing we are doing there. There are many use cases which will be required for that. So we have to prepare accordingly. So many technologies will be implemented there. We are also thinking of combining the AI part into this blockchain applications. So it's going to be very interesting in future. Those people who are really interested and dedicated and want to learn a lot also in the meantime earn something for themselves. So that will be great for you people. I'm insisting just go through this what we had shown you. Try to build it up with you. Anil did it within, for the first time, he took some time, but after that, he is normally improving in the timing. Right now, I had seen it's around 40 minutes. With a small mistake, I know, but it is normally happening with everybody, with me as well. And we can do it easily. And the next thing, the task is there. I want to see few people, at least some of you who are interested enough, who are having some JavaScript knowledge, they can come up with this. There is nothing. I can say like here we are hard coding this. Where it is? It is in the create mint. We are hard coding this bank wallet address. So you have to actually take it from the front end, isn't it, Anil?
Yes,
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 sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what we have to actually do. Nothing. I asked anything about. You
And
needn't require to actually
and the
change it.
loveless amount also we have to take from in.
You can change this law place also. These
Mm.
two you have to change there.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
It's
Thank
depend
you
on
very
you
much.
how you put the loveless.
Uh, no, he is telling like the front end should be like this. Here is a loveless field is there. So you have to take out that loveless and you have to take the loveless from here. It's not going to be always 10. It might be something else. 100,
Yes,
200.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So these two fields you have to integrate into your app. That is the task for you. And from the next time, we will have actually real-time tasks. And these are basically some kind of project based or prototyping based sessions we are doing. And normally we will start the live projects immediately somewhere. And thank you very much. It's a very nice crowd. And I hope you people learn or you people see something new apart from what we did it from the last time. Just asking, Son sir, is there anything like you want to add it to? Is it okay with the things?
Yes, sir, it's okay,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
And things got into or getting into the grip, like what exactly we are doing and what exactly we are going for.
Yes, sir.
Rajiv, bhai, is it okay with you? Hello, hello. Yeah, it's not audible, I guess.
Hello. Yes, sir, you are audible.
No, probably Rajiv is not audible. Yes.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. Now Satya, hello.
He's not on
Yeah,
mute.
he's in mute.
Talking in mute, I
Okay,
think
no
so.
issues. Yeah, we'll go see the things, and it's already time. This is one of the lengthiest session we had. We just took some breaks in between, but it's a nice session. Thank you, Anil, for your effort, and thanks, Prasanna sir, for your guidance. Thanks, Vishujit. Yeah,
Thank
and
you.
Thank
thanks
you, sir.
all for joining. Thanks, Adjul bhai. Thanks, Arpa, Debashis. Thank you
So,
all. Thank you. Have a nice weekend and have a nice evening or good night. Anyway,
yeah,
Good
Good
night.
night.
Thank
thank
you.
you,
Good
Pradhan
night,
sir.
sir. Thank you so much, sir.
I'm
Yeah,
stopping the record.
yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.